Welcome to New Crypto Coin this morning, guys. I want to go over a video right now. Follow us on New Crypto Coin on YouTube, New Crypto Coin on Twitter. I'm not bringing you guys a new coin today. I'm going to do a video on the market correction, as this is the first big market correction of 2018. Some of you guys who are new to cryptocurrency may not have experienced the market correction before, but it's where Bitcoin drops more than 25%. In a short period, and this happens occasionally. We had one in July, we had one in September, and I want to just alert you guys on some things you can do when we're going through a market correction. As you can see, the market since December 17th, it was 595 billion, and then we rose on to January 7th to 829 billion, and now we're back down to that 500 billion total market cap. As of January 17th today, we're back down to 513 billion. This has happened before. The crypto market suffers huge swings in prices. This is a downswing. This was the article on Cointelegraph today. The crypto market suffers from uncertainty in Asia, losses up to 40%. Bitcoin and altcoins lost up to 40% of their value the morning of Tuesday, January 16th, as regulatory pressure from China and South Korea appears to upset optimism. And this happens from time to time, where Bitcoin will dip and all the other coins will dip as well, because they're tied to Bitcoin pairs on the exchanges. So what to do when this happens? Let's go right into I made a presentation for you guys, what to do when this happens. Bitcoin correction or the alts on sell. How do we maneuver when this happens? And why is this happening? Why is Bitcoin down? So Bitcoin is down. Good news, this has happened before. If you look at this chart here, guys, from September 2010 to January 2018, Bitcoin has had major corrections before. I want to go over the last 3 major corrections. So the one we had in June 2017 lasted 35 days. Bitcoin high was 3,025. Bitcoin low was 1,837. It was a 39% decline. Return to new high was 65%, and the new high date was 8/5/2017. It took 55 days till we got to the new high. And then from September, if you remember September, we had the Chinese FUD. September 9th, September 2nd, 2017 to September 9th, 15/17. 13 days of correction. The Bitcoin high was 5,014. Bitcoin low was 2,951. The decline was a 41% decline. The new high date came 40 days after that. And then we had a little bit of a correction in November, the 4-day correction. The high was 7,879. The low was 5,507. 30% decline. 8 days to a new high. And here we are now in another longer correction period. This reminds me of the correction period we had in June, which was 35 days. This is a 30-day correction period. Our high was 19,783 was the Bitcoin high. The Bitcoin low is 10,201. This is a 48% decline. How many days till we get to the new high date? It looks like in the past we got to the new high date pretty quickly, within a month and a half, 48 days, 55 days, 40 days, and then last pass correction 8 days. So between 30 to 60 days, Bitcoin will be to a new high. So how do we prepare for this? What do we do? So we're expecting Bitcoin to be somewhere at a new high sometime in late February, March. Bitcoin be in a new high probably, if it follows the pattern that we have seen in this Bitcoin major correction. It seems like after a major correction, 30 to 60 days later, Bitcoin is at a new high. So this is actually the time to buy Bitcoin. It's time to buy it while it's low. This is a great buying opportunity for you guys. So why is Bitcoin down? Bitcoin is down because there's talk of a cryptocurrency trading ban in South Korea and further possible crackdowns on trading and mining in China. Bitcoin futures are also trading down. So basically they're shorting it. They're showing lots of non-confidence in Bitcoin. They are shorting Bitcoin. And then there's the Asian New Year theory. And I want to break down the Asian New Year theory. So it seems like the Asian market has a huge influence on Bitcoin. As you know, they have most of the world's Bitcoin. I think it's 60-70% of the world's Bitcoin are in the Asian markets: Japan, China, Korea. And as we're seeing here, in January 7th, 2014, 24 days before the Asian New Year, there was a 23% drop in Bitcoin. The same thing happened in 2015. 24 days before the Asian New Year, there was a 32% drop in Bitcoin. In January 2016, 24 days before the Asian New Year, there was a 24% drop in Bitcoin. And in January 2017, 23 days before the Asian New Year, there was a 35% drop in Bitcoin. And this year, once again, there is a huge drop in Bitcoin 24 days before the Asian New Year. The Asian investors, maybe before the new year, they like to take out some funds from their investments. This might be a cultural thing, but it seems to be a pattern where we're like either 24 or 23 days before the Asian New Year, there's always a drop in Bitcoin. It seems like they start to sell off some of their investments. I'm guessing to buy gifts for the new year, to close their books. I don't know, but it's something that's cultural in their area that they're doing. And they're selling off some of their investments during that time of year. And because they own so much of the Bitcoin, it really affects the Bitcoin markets. So that's one theory as to why the markets went down today, this past week, why we've been going down. What to do when Bitcoin is down? Well, you hold your quality coins. You look for bargains in the market, or coins that are oversold. You buy Bitcoin near the bottom. You don't sell the bottom. This is time to be buying. You buy low, you sell high. That is where the money is made. Right now, this is where the money is made when the next move. When Bitcoin does its next move up, the people that buy low now will make the most profit later when Bitcoin makes the next move up past 19K. Which coins will bounce back? Quality projects in the top 200 on CoinMarketCap will bounce back. The big three, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, will bounce back eventually as well. What do I mean when I say quality projects in the top 200? I mean projects that are proven, products that have made money, products that are going to be here regardless of what the market does. Usually when this happens, I go to exchange coins. I think the exchange coins such as Binance and KuCoin aren't going anywhere. I believe that they will bounce back. I think there's a new exchange, and also those exchange coins, KuCoin also gives you a dividend for holding KuCoin. I think that's a great play right now. KuCoin is a great play. BNB is a great play because they're burning their coins. So I think as they burn the coins, that's going to raise the value in the future. And knowing that Binance is the #1 exchange in cryptocurrency, I don't think Binance is going anywhere. I think that's a good play right now. I think Coin Exchange. I think Carbonhood Exchange. I'm sorry, I said Coin Exchange. Carbonhood Exchange is another exchange that should do well. It's a no-fee exchange with a great user interface. I think people are going to, be trying to avoid fees. I mean, why not? So I think exchanges are a proven product that makes money, that plays well in any market. So I think exchange coins are a move right now. Here's another bargain right now. I think NEO is a big bargain right now. NEO is down about 27%. NEO is a Chinese Ethereum. NEO has a lot of ICOs coming out this year. NEO has 25 apps already running on it. Examples: WebPost, Next, AdX. The NEO gas token generates income. So just by holding NEO, you're going to get income. And I also think if NEO gets a big breakthrough this year with the Chinese government partnership, which seems likely, it will be the go-to platform for Chinese dApps. NEO could be huge this year. I think NEO is definitely one at this price, even at $100, is one that you would want to invest in. Another coin I think that's a bargain right now in the sea of red is ETH Lin. Lin is down 60% from a recent high. I think Lin is very oversold. Lin has a working loan product that is automated. They have a great graphical user interface. I think Lin will be needed since people took losses. They will need capital to invest in new coins. I think it's a great time to buy Lin. I think Salt is worth a look as well because I see more upside with Lin than Salt. But I don't see how this doesn't work when you took losses. You need capital to buy new coins. You've got these coins. Instead of selling them right now, you could loan them out on Lin, take the loan, invest it, come back, buy back your coins, and make profit. I think Lin is going to grow tremendously this year. I just think Lin is a tremendously great product in 2018. I don't see how Lin coin doesn't do really well in this market. It just fits a perfect need and has a great product. I just think it should do really well in 2018. Another coin that I think should do really well in 2018 is ZRX. ZRX is the foundational protocol for exchanges and other products from the ETH network. ZRX is down about 50%. ZRX roadmap for 2018 looks very good. ZRX has major potential, looks undervalued to me. ZRX, I think they met with Coinbase at one point. They have just a lot of potential. There's a lot of platforms built on ZRX. District, some of the other platforms are built on ZRX. ZRX is definitely one that you got to look at as really undervalued right now. And it could be worth a lot more once people realize the potential that it has. I think ZRX is just undervalued. Do your own research on it, but you will see ZRX is a foundational type product. Dentcoin. Dentcoin is also another one I think is a bargain. Dentcoin was 10 cents, now it's 3 cents. This has a working product. They're coming out with an Android app coming next month. Dent will rise, I believe. I think Dent really has its finger on the pulse of what the market needs. Dent is a mobile data type coin exchange app where you can buy mobile data no matter where you're at in the world. Don't have to pay roaming fees. I think Dent meets a need, has a working product. I think Dent will do very well. Right now it's 3 cents. I think it's a bargain. I think, guys, you should look at Dent as well. And here's another bargain, Icon. Icon is down 50%. Icon is the Korea Ethereum. Before the correction, it was the hottest coin on the market. The Icon mainnet launch starts January 24th. The Korean exchanges reopened registrations at the end of January 2018. I would expect the Korean markets to buy lots of Icon when the market opens. Icon is a great technology and it's advanced blockchain. Do your own research. Icon has a multi-channel type blockchain where people can create their own blockchains connected to the mainnet blockchain. Icon is a transformational blockchain type of technology. They got great partnerships with Aeon and Ranchain. You gotta look up and check out Icon. Definitely one to check out. Definitely one that you guys should look at. Icon is a great investment. Check them out on CoinMarketCap. So what things should we remember right now in the sea of red that we're seeing? Well, we are still in the early stages of cryptocurrency. Mainstream is coming, and with it, there'll be more money to the markets. Bitcoin is down. It's been down before, but it always bounces back. When you make gains in cryptocurrency, it is crucial to take some profit so you will have money to reinvest when the market is down. Guys, I cannot repeat this enough. Most of you guys made tremendous gains in the month of December and early January. It is crucial that when you make those gains, that you take some profit so that you will have money to reinvest when the market is down. I'll say it again. When you make gains, it is crucial to take some profit so you will have money to reinvest when the market is down. I'll leave it at that. Follow New Crypto Coin on YouTube and Twitter for the latest. Like I said, I'll try to update you guys with the latest that I've found here on the market here. I just want to point out some things real quick before I end this video. I mentioned in the video Icon. Let's see where it's at now. Icon is at 662. Wow, it has really fallen, and that is without the Korean exchange. And remember, it's already ranked 17th on CoinMarketCap. Let's go to the high. As you can see, the high from Icon, 1264 on January 9th, and now Icon is 662. I mentioned Dent as well. Dent is 3 cents, right? Look at the chart. Dent had a high of 10 cents. Now it's down to 3 cents. It's just amazing how fast some of these coins drop. Neo, look at this chart. Neo is 117 now. It had jumped all the way to 161 yesterday, day before. Now it's 114. Great buying opportunity on Neo. Lin is a great buying opportunity. ETH Lin, 13 cents. It was at 1.40 cents. So I think Lin is a great buying opportunity as well. Let's see. I think I mentioned another coin. Did I mention another coin? I mentioned ZRX, which I think is a great coin. ZRX is $1.38. It actually is a great coin as well. I think ZRX had got up to ZRX had got up to 253, and now it's $1.38. So you're seeing massive bargains going on right now, guys. I'm gonna check one of my favorites. I love Chainlink. I think Chainlink is massively undervalued. It's 67 cents. Chainlink was 134 at one point. I think Chainlink is one to look at, and I would say Nebulous, Nas. I would look at that one as well. That's 692. It's Google for blockchain. It was at one point 1303, and now it's 692. Look at Nebulous and KNC, Kyber Network. I would look at them as well. They were, looks like they didn't have as big of a drop. They got up to 569, and now they're 276. So you're seeing 50% drops in Kyber Network, Link, and Nebulous. Those are big type of coins, top 100 coins. What I like to do, you see Bitcoin's down 12%. What I like to do is I do it like this. It looks like some coins are already bouncing back. Nebulio already bounced back up 71%. Smart Cash 16%. Quant Stamp 16% up. SC Coin 7% up. So some of these coins are bouncing back. Dragon Chain 3% down. So ZRX is 1% down. So some of these coins are starting to bounce back. I like to do the change. Who has lost the most in the last 24 hours? You know, Ardor, NEM, Bynum, Gas, Neo lost the most, and those are the ones where I start looking to invest in. Who has lost the most? Ripple, $1.09. A couple of days ago, we were talking about Ripple at $3 going to $5. Now it's back to $1.09. So the crypto market changes fast. But guys, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm kind of rambling here. But guys, thank you for watching New Crypto Coin. Like our videos, share our videos, support the channel. Thank you for your support, guys. Thank you for watching New Crypto Coin. New videos coming soon. Thank you.